Okay, good morning here. This is the farmer doing a little soybean update. October, I think the 14th, if I'm not mistaken. These beans are up to my waist and they're drying down. We got little green leaves here on the edge yet. And you can see in here, get down in here, these beans were planted July the 2nd, if I'm not mistaken, right after wheat harvest. I think within the end of the week, they'd be about ready to combine. They're drying down fast with this weather we've been having. We planted them about 190,000 population per acre, seeds per acre, and on 7.5-inch spacing. Okay, well, comment and let me know what you think of them. Try to answer any questions you have. Thank you.